Okay, good morning everyone. My name is Luis Abraham Asman, and I am here in front of you to answer the question, what is really important? The values or the knowledge in education? Now, many students are just gaining only the knowledge that they get from the teachers while they are teaching, but they don't really have any values to socialize with other students. So sometimes many students are also very greedy on attaining knowledge without considering their values and considering other people where they belong. And that's really very alarming for every student. Because imagine if all students are all ready with knowledge, so they don't have any values that can help them to be more better students, to gain more knowledge aside from only getting knowledge. So my point here is, it is important to have both knowledge and values in education. And I have also an experiences before of being greedy and education. And I don't think whether I lose some friends because of my attitude towards them. Because sometimes if the students are too greedy on attaining the knowledge, they will sometimes hurt other people by obtaining it. So those are not really advisable for each of one. And aside from this, I would like to give also the point on having the knowledge, not only the values. Because if we have only values and without knowledge, we could be more not functional students, really. So we should need to be more uh, vulnerable students by having knowledge, not only the values. And with that, we can be more educated. So with that, the students who are having a knowledge and values can be called educated. And the educated people are those people who are ethically accepted by the society in or outside their personality. And those things are really important nowadays because as what I have noticed, many people are not too valuable or sociable in their peers, colleagues, or whatever. That can lead to the toxic mentality, and they would gain it until they become a worker someday. So how we can be uh, educated with having a values? So that's a good question, right? And being those kind of person or having those personality is really hard for everyone because knowledge is not really easy to attain without by having values. Because there are some instances, let's say for example, when there is a classroom, in a classroom setting, your teacher asks someone to answer the question, but you are too greedy to answer that question, or you want more knowledge, or you want to have more grades because of the performance, you will insist yourself to answer that question even though your classmates are already asked. Okay, did you get the point? And those things are not really good for uneducated people, so that we should need to change that by embodying those kind of acts, having values and knowledge. We need to pursue ourselves to be or to have a more knowledge by having those values. And this is all my answer and conclude. We should need to be an educated people that could reflect not only the knowledge when we speak with other people, but also by being the role model to other people who don't have any education. And this is not my answer. Thank you so much.